There's one thing that separates people who get what they want from those who don't, and it is their mindset. Before you click away thinking it is not possible for you, hear me out. It is so easy. People who understand it can't go back. And since you probably want everything you want to come true, watch this video till the end, because it will be the most important one for this day. And first, I want to clear up that there's no such thing called luck, that a person got something just because of their luck, because there's actually something behind it. There's a system they use and that I'm about to tell you that actually makes what they want inevitable. And the mindset that people who get what they want have is that they already own it. Just as simple as that. I'm about to explain you. They believe that what they want is more than just possible, but actually meant for them. And this certainty that what they want is absolutely possible and true actually attracts it to them. Look, the biggest difference between those people who get what they want from those who don't is their insane belief that what they want is possible. Because if you are doubting your dreams already, you are already the first person doubting them, obviously. And it has to do something with quantum physics. They're actually simpler than they sound. It's basically that everything has a certain vibration. You, the universe, even your thoughts and feelings all have a different vibration. And same attracts same. That's why people who imagine that they already have something actually get it, because it's then only a matter of time when it manifests into their life. And what we usually get wrong is that we put a lot of fear into our biggest wishes. What if it doesn't work out? What if I'm not meant for it? And this is the mindset holding you back. Because with this mindset, you might want your dream like crazy, but you still put the vibration of doubt and fear into it. So what you will get from the universe is everything that is of the level of fear and doubt. Meanwhile, people who get what they want are so certain that they will get it that no matter what obstacle is on their way, they know that this is just something they'll go through because they will get what they want anyways. And as it is not that easy to let go of fear, and I don't tell that it is even possible, because even those lucky people have maybe some fearful thoughts, but just because of them, they don't question whether or not their wish is too big. They allow themselves to get it. And this is the biggest point. If you say, let's take an example. Let's say you want to make $1 million. Meanwhile, you also think that money is evil. Maybe you think it because your parents told it during your childhood. And now you actually want $1 million, but nevertheless, there's this thought blocking you from actually achieving it, because you will not get something that you yourself think is bad. Spoiler alert, money is not bad. Imagine if you took it all and donated it to charity. You would actually do a great thing for the world. And these mindsets, or actually programs that you have in your mind, need to get free. And there is some certain mantras that you need to actually say to yourself every morning and every evening to actually get them as new programs into your head. And it is, listen, everything I want wants me more. My dreams and desires are already on the way to me. Everything I want comes to me easily. And while you might say it is bullshit at first, repeating it, you get it into your conscious mind. And with that, you get it as a new program, even if you don't believe it at first. As I already mentioned, every thought has a certain vibration. If you say, I can do this, you directly have the vibration of you not being able to do something. So you will attract the same. You will get from the universe a sign that you can do it. Meanwhile, you say that everything you want wants you more and that everything comes easily to you. That is an instant shift. Don't you feel the energetic difference even when I told it? And on from now, these mantras are really powerful if you use them. And even being conscious of the fact that you need to allow yourself what you want in order to get it, in order to attract it in vibration, is how you get what you want. So please stop doubting your own dreams if you want them to actually come true. And start thinking in the mindset of people who get what they want. As it hopefully was a lot of value for you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to show this video to more people and help them out too. See you till the next one.